Now, let's talk the Jacksonville Jaguars. Because the Jacksonville Jaguars made one of the boldest moves on the entire 2025 NFL draft. But did it pay off? Will it pay off? Let's grade it out and let's talk about it. So round number 1, pick number 2, they drafted Travis Hunter, wide receiver / cornerback out of the Colorado. Put some Buffaloes on their name, right? Put some respect on their name. Guys, the Jaguars swung big right out the gate, moving up to number 2 overall to draft Travis Hunter. And look, the move cost him a 2026 first-round pick, so yeah, it is a gamble. But if you're going to gamble, you better swing on greatness, and Travis Hunter is exactly that, guys. This guy isn't just versatile, he is generational talent. He is a top corner and arguably the best receiver in the draft. That's Deion Sanders type of versatility. Jacksonville now has a chess piece to move around on both sides of the ball, and if he's what they believe he is, the pick rewrites the franchise. This is an A- in day 1 for them. The only thing I do not like is that the fact that they're going to solely play him on both sides of the ball. I still think he needs to focus on one side, get great, and maybe sprinkle in a little bit later. But that's besides the point. They did not have a second-round pick. Moving down to round 3 at picks 88 and 89, they drafted Caleb Ransaw, cornerback, and Wyatt Milum, offensive guard. Jumping into day 2, right? The Jags didn't pick again until round 3, but they went back-to-back, landing 2 rock-solid prospects. Caleb Ransaw out of Tulane, physical, aggressive, and a guy who can push for playing time immediately. He brings energy and fits the Jaguars' secondary mentality. They want to be nasty, they want to be gritty, and this is exactly what he is. Then Wyatt Milum, a guard from West Virginia, another Big 12 product, right? This is a mean, nasty lineman with starting potential. You want to protect Trevor Lawrence, you start from bidding on the inside, and Wyatt gives you that toughness. Day 2 grade, another A-. Now, moving on to day 3. Day 3 was all about depth, and the Jacksonville Jaguars covered a lot of ground. Bhayshul Tuten, running back out of Virginia Tech. The Jags passed on Travis Etienne's brother, but they went with Tuten, right? A speed threat who could carve a rollout behind Etienne. And then Jack Kaiser, linebacker out of Notre Dame, classic high-effort guy. He will make the 53-man roster and contribute on special teams immediately, and I expect him to be a starter, at least a role player, by end of the season. And then Jalen McLeod, linebacker / edge rusher out of Auburn, right? Love the versatility here. He's a Swiss Army knife on defense. And then Ryan Lane III, safety out of Navy. He's smart, steady, plays with discipline, special teams, and safety depth. Check, check, check. And then Jonah Monheim, offensive lineman from USC. He played everywhere on the line in college. That's a big plug-and-play depth part in the 7th round. And then LaQuint Allen, running back out of Syracuse, another burst back who could surprise camp and challenge for the RB3 role. So day 3 grade, I give them a B. So let's call it like it is. The class hinders on Travis Hunter. As simple as that. If he's a superstar, it becomes one of the draft class in franchise's history. If not, people will look back and question the cost. But I respect the aggression. They added instant contributors on both sides of the ball, filled roster holes, and added competition at nearly every position group. That's how you build a playoff caliber team. Overall grade is an A- for the Jacksonville Jaguars. But Jags fans, NFL draft fans, sound off. Did the team do enough to help Trevor Lawrence and the defense? Is Travis Hunter the guy to take him over the top? Subscribe, hit that like button, and remember, guys, we are live every Monday through Friday, East Coast time. 9 p.m. East Coast time right here at youtube.com/manhour. But this is a live interactive show, guys. Make sure you comment down below. So let's get into the comment and discuss your thoughts down below. Spoiler alert, we are recording this beforehand because we are moving into Studio C and we got things to do, right? Got some things to do. But